Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, I'm doing the current feelings of your person right now, what they are feeling right now. The rebirth card is coming. So your person is going through a rebirth actually. And see, you can see the bunny also in this rabbit also. The rabbit also signifies new birth. If suppose you are seeing rabbit in your house or anywhere on the internet or somewhere on the Instagram or any social media site, then also it's a confirmation for you that your person is going through a rebirth process. So definitely a rebirth process has started for your person, but your person is going through a dark night of the soul. Nine of Swords card is coming. When Nine of Swords card is coming, a person is not sleeping whole night. Maybe quite possible your person is trying to contact you in the night time, or maybe they may are thinking a lot about you during the night time actually. They are going to a dark night of the soul. Maybe the surroundings in their life or their financial status or anything in their family is not up to the mark. You can say they're up to or not all right actually. So they are facing triggers and all this full moon, new moon, and this eclipse. All these things are bringing triggers in your person's life, because this is a plan of universe is forcing them to take decision. Universe is forcing them to see what is a clear picture, who is right for you. Universe is pushing them, you can say. Because of that, they are facing this dark night of the soul. They are really stressed about this offering a cup to you. Ace of cup card is also a card of lot of love and emotions. This person is going through a lot of emotions, you can say that all kind of emotions, anger and sadness, and everything nostalgic. This person is going through a lot of emotions right now actually. And Two of Pentacles card is coming, so definitely they are confused how to deal with this situation, how to approach you. Any situation they are facing in their life, they are confused. All these things has created a confusion in their mind, you can say, because they are going through a dark night of the soul. They are crying every night and they don't know why. They are just guilty also, you can say, how they jeopardize this relationship, how they behave with you. So they are going through a lot of emotions, level high and low, and this kind of situation is going on in your person's life. Two of Swords, they don't know how to approach you. They are still in two minds about moving forward actually, still in two minds actually. King of Wands, they know they have to take action if they want a long term commitment with you. This Ten of Cups with them, they know they, if they want to marry you, they want a long term commitment, they have to take action. Without action, nothing is going to happen. They know how many times you have approached them, and every time when you approach them, they really get panic and they don't know how to behave with you, and they block you or they run away or they start ghosting you, because that time they are not prepared actually. Because of that, they are behaving that way. So Two of Swords card is telling me still they are indecisive. They are being forced by the universe to take a decision actually. Universe is continuously forcing your person that be a King of Wands. Now it's time of action. That's why they are having sleepless nights, you can say that. This person is continuously having sleepless nights. See, community, maybe some family factors or friends also are involved in this situation, or they are being affected because in making a decision because of friends or family. Anything is possible either way actually, I'm telling. Either your family is bothering them, or their family is bothering them. Something related to family is bothering your person right now, or maybe some problems are generated in family, you can say that. Because of that also, door to value, they know that you are the door to value, you are the happiness, but at the same time they are feeling tied up, or they are feeling that they have tied you up in the past by again and again you were trying to contact them, they were blocking you, they were not talking to you, they were ghosting you. So they feel that they have blocked you so much in the past, and which was the abundance actually. They only blocked their door of abundance. Now they are feeling, because their spiritual awakening has started, definitely I'm telling you, the rebirth process has started. Because of that, they are feeling that they only tied down, or they only closed the door of their abundance. This thing is going on in your person's mind continuously, and because of that, this person is having a dark night of the soul. This person is having a sleepless nights. So when a person has a sleepless nights, they don't know what to do. Sometimes they feel like they should talk to you, they should contact you, or they may even be trying to hear your voice by calling you up in the night. This is also quite possible, or something like that. I don't know, but however, in your situation, every person has a different scenario, and every person has a different journey. So that can be told in the personal reading only, but in general I can say, yeah, they are feeling very low right now. You give them happiness, you give them that confidence, so they come to you towards that, for that happiness, for that confidence, mainly for that confidence. You give them, they come for that only. Find balance. The person, again, this is a two of wands card. Your person is two of pentacles card. This person don't know how to approach you, still they are confused. They need to find balance. Universe is telling them, find your balance, be balanced and make a decision right now, because but they are still not balanced actually. They know that you are a joy and stability, you are a permanent relationship, you are a long term commitment person, but still this person is in a hermit mode right now, feeling alone. They don't know how to take action, with what face they should come towards you. All this kind of question is going on in your person's mind, but this relationship will definitely blossom. And this is a 20 number card, is a card of judgment. So you can say your person is being forced to take a judgment. Got me? Your person is shown the door. Your person, universe is guiding them. They know that they have to make a decision. King of Wands card is coming, 10 of card is coming. Even their family members are telling them that now make a decision. It's high time that you should make a decision. So your person is guided to make a decision, you can say that. So this is going on in your person's mind. One more card I will see, what is their current energy about romancing you. That's the thing. Worthiness, they are realizing your worth now, right now. They are, God or universe is showing you them your worth actually, your importance, the importance of your messages. When you used to send them message, how happy this person used to feel. When you used to call them, how happy this person used to feel. Now they are realizing the worth of all those things, you can say that. All those things in the past you have done, you must have that feeling that how much I chase this person and this person is not realizing my love only. Now this person is realizing all those things that you done in the past. Forgiveness card is coming. You have to forgive this person actually, and they need to forgive themselves first actually. You forgive from your side, this person will definitely feel that forgiveness. That energy will definitely reach your person, you can say that. Sorry that my phone is ringing. It's inner peace. Your person is definitely finding inner peace, you can say that. They need inner peace a lot at present right now. They need an inner peace right now. Without inner peace, this person can't approach you, because they are having a dark night of the soul. They are crying, their emotions are very high. So forgiveness is very important. If you have not forgiven your person, then please forgive your person, because unless and until you forgive them, this person is not going to gain an inner peace. So it's very important to forgive yourself and your person both. Got me? Then only a person will be able to forgive themselves, because they are not able to forgive themselves only because they are in a very guilty position actually. Silver waterfall. So silver waterfall is definitely waiting for both of you. You can say the rainbow is waiting for you, the happiness is waiting for you. But let this dark night of the soul pass completely and your person gain confidence. It doesn't mean that you call your person or you message them to increase their confidence. Again they will start running. I'm not telling you to chase them or message them. Let them realize that they're on their own, because universe is planning out everything and universe is doing everything. Got me? Oh friends, you got some idea what a person is going through right now? Then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.